Hello everyone, welcome back to Brennan Wolf Adventures once again. Today I'm showing off more drawings. First, I forgot to show you this one. This is Bad Marty. As you can clearly see, it says Bad Marty Tiger. It's pretty cool. But he's the bad version because he has like half white hair. This is the plushie version, which I think Funko should make of me. Which Funko? Actually, yeah, there's something on the back because... yeah, that's a Brennan Wolf plush. And this is a Haley Cat plush. Which Funko shouldn't make. Let's party. This is the Spring Haley plush. It looks pretty cool. Do you think all it looks pretty cool? No, nothing on the back. This is me carrying Chica. I think that looks pretty cool. Yep, let me know. Oh, well, this is me missing Chica. Dear Brennan Wolf, blah, blah, blah. I miss you. And there's also a picture of me and Chica kissing. This is me hugging my daughter, Chica Jr. Well, one of my daughters, actually. It's pretty cool. Oh! And everyone. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I'm going to be taking a break from YouTubing at the 27th, which is Wednesday, for the Ultimate Custom Night. Yeah, the Ultimate Custom Night comes out June 27th, so I'm going to be taking my very own holiday on that day. I'm going to be taking a little break, which means I'm going to be taking a little break from YouTube and doing what I can to support the Ultimate Custom Night that's coming June 27th, so I'm going to be taking a break from YouTube on that day. Just to let you guys know that. This is me hugging my niece, Isabella Fazbear. I feel a little good. I think we look great together, actually, yes. This is my niece, Isabella Fazbear. I'm hugging her. Anything on the back? No. You know, I love my niece very much. Next picture. This is me hugging my sister, Mangle. Yeah, Mangle is my sister, yes. Yeah, if you all didn't know that, that's pretty cool. Yeah, even that one and that one. So this is me hugging my sister, Mangle. Wait. Oh, no, that's a torso. No, that's a torso. I believe that is a torso, actually. And there's that. And last but not least, this is Wolfie and Springy, or known as Haley the dog. That's how we all for the smash the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.